Hey, me again. This time I'm going to be doing a Malcolm Moore and Ryan Lewis Can't Hold Us rap cover. Some points you may not hear me, but that's mainly because I don't have a remote to my TV and it's up on a wall, so my sister stole it and it's lost in that deep hole of destruction and toys. So, alright, here we go. Oh, hold up. Let me try to get you guys closer. Understand more. Alright, ready to go. The turn of the Mac, what it is, what it does, what it is, it is. The cool better, get it better, best, gotta get them in and chicken, get it up. This shop, walk in, a bit humble, a little bit cautious. Summer team like rocking, causes, y'all can copy, up. Bad, moonwalk, country is here, it's a party. My party's been a Broadway, and we did it all with throne music. I share my skin and break my bones, that's everything I record to it. Yeah, I'm all, let the stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suitcase and Franco with my style. Money, sneak it back, sit around, there's time to ride the back, pass the torch I put all through my time. Trust me, mama, INDEPENT, teaching, hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with that board track, bussin', halfway across that city with the back, hushing. Labels out here and now they can't tell me nothing, because of the people spreading across the country. Labels out here and now they can't tell me nothing, because of the people spreading across the country. There we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up, like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us, here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up, like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Yeah, can I get a thank you? Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up, you gonna know once, but that's not too damn late to raise you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard to give me my heartbeat. I'm getting the beat like we give it a street. We wake up, truck on truck, pick up. Coming, oh, gone. This is goodbye. I got a road to see. My girl, she wanna see home. Seas don't make you believe, but nah, I never did it alone. You didn't tell me to sing the back, sing the song, and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Keep on, here we go back. This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us, we go back, this is the moment, tonight's the night, we'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up, like the ceiling can't hold us, like the ceiling can't hold us. We put our hands up. So we put our hands up, oh, oh, oh. Let's go na 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 na. Hey, now my people say na 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 na. Hey, now my people say na 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 na. Oh, when all my people say na 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 na. Now, here we go. And that's pretty much it. There's a little bit more added to it, and if it's not in the music video like this one, but it's only like, here we go back, this is the moment, and this keeps going on, and then it fades out and ends. And right now, I don't know how to rap it because I never listened to the music video, and plus it's not really a rap. It's like very robotic. So yeah. I'm just gonna keep it on for a while so you guys, in case any of you out there want to listen. Well, there's probably like 6 different people that may watch this. But like, really. So, just enjoy it, I guess. Alright, later. Subscribe or comment. Oh, wait. I don't care if subscribe's up there or down there. I could care less. Do one of them.